Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check your location history in Find My Device application on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Alright, so first of all you'll have to do is to tap on Find My Device application, and then you'll have to tap on an option of devices on the bottom right corner. Next to the people you'll find an option of devices. Tap on that, and it will show you all the devices that you have linked with this. And basically if you'll tap, for example, I will tap on my iPhone and it will show me the latest location that in which the iPhone was present, whether it's turned on or turned off. Now this was the first way. The second thing you can do is to go to the settings and then scroll down until you find privacy and security. Tap on it and then scroll down all the way, tap on location services and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and then tap on system services. And once you're on this page, scroll down, and right here you'll find an option of significant locations just under system customization. And basically you'll find all the locations where your iPhone is being found or moved from one place to another place. So that's how you can easily check your iPhone's history, location history in your iPhone. You can also clear this history by tapping on clear history. And I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.